Welcome back to AMERIMONDE Trading. Trade like an eagle. I am Jamal, and in the next 10 minutes, I will tell you the uncomfortable truth about why you are losing money. It is not the market, it is not your broker, it is not bad luck. 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days, and they all make the same three mistakes. If you fix these today, you will be in the top 10% tomorrow. So stay with me until the end because mistake number three is the one nobody talks about. The first mistake is trading without a plan. You see a big green candle and you jump in. Why? Where is your stop loss? Where is your take profit? What is your risk to reward? You have no answers. You are entering a war without a weapon. Think about an eagle. An eagle never dives for its prey without calculating distance, wind, and timing. It is precise. You need to be the same. Before you click buy or sell, you must have three things written down: your exact entry reason, your exact exit if you are wrong, and your exact exit if you are right. If you do not have these three, do not enter. Close the chart and go have a coffee. 75% of the chart is a do not enter zone. Professionals wait. Amateurs chase. The second mistake is the deadliest because it lives inside you. It is greed and revenge. You win $50, you feel like a genius, so you double your lot size to make 100. Then you lose it. Now you are angry. You want revenge on the market, so you enter again with an even bigger lot to win it back. And you blow your account. Listen to me carefully. The market does not know you. It does not hate you. It cannot be punished. You are only punishing yourself. This is my golden rule at Amerimonde. If you lose two trades in a day, also shut down your computer. Trading is not a casino. Trading is discipline. An eagle does not hunt all day. It hunts once, eats, and rests. And the third mistake is following the herd. This is the 75% trap. You see everyone on Telegram, Twitter, and TikTok screaming buy, 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 so you buy with them. Congratulations, you just joined the 75% who will lose. Smart money buys when the crowd is selling in fear and sells when the crowd is buying in greed. Institutions need your liquidity to exit. Every time you buy because you saw a high post, you are giving them your money. Ask yourself one question before every trade. Am I entering because my own analysis tells me to, or because I saw someone else do it? Eagles fly alone high above the pigeons. If you want to profit like an eagle, you must learn to fly alone. So let's recap. 1. Never enter the market without a clear plan. No plan, no trade, it's that simple. 2. Control your emotions and respect your daily limits. Because the market doesn't take your money, you give it away when you are angry or greedy. 3. Stop following the crowd. The crowd is always late, the crowd always loses. If you truly master these three rules, you will stop gambling and you will finally start trading like a professional. And look, I know it's not easy. I was in your place. I made all three mistakes. I blew accounts because I wanted to make fast money, because I revenge traded, because I followed signals from Telegram groups. I lost until I understood one truth: trading is not about finding the perfect strategy. It's about becoming the right person to execute that strategy. An eagle doesn't become an eagle in one day. He learns to be patient high above the market, alone, far from the noise of the pigeon. That's exactly what we are building here at Amerimonde Trading. Not just a community of traders, but a family of eagles. People who think differently, who wait for the right moment, and who strike with confidence. So if you are tired of losing, if you are tired of starting over every Monday, it's time to make a decision. Now, I have a serious question for you, and I want you to be honest with yourself. Which one of these three mistakes is killing your account right now? Is it one, the lack of a plan? Is it two, your emotions? Or is it three, following other people? Write one, two, or three in the comments right now. I personally read every single comment and I will reply to you with advice. And if you want to see how I apply the Eagle strategy live with real money, with zero fake promises, join me every day for our daily podcast. We break down the market together live. This was Jamal with AMERIMONDE Trading. Don't trade like a pigeon chasing crumbs, trade like an eagle.